Good day, this is Teacher Ian and welcome to Sarsa Sweeted Burpa online class. How are you today? I hope that you are doing well. Today we're going to study about multiplication and division facts. This is the continuation of our topic before you went to a vacation last December, about counting backwards and division. Okay, so please open your books on page 128. Okay, on page 128 we will be discussing about multiplication and division facts. Now, for example, you have 10 candies equals 5 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 5. Now, 5 groups of 2 is equals to what? Equals to 10 candies. And 2 groups of 5 is equals to 10 candies as well. But this time, you can write this as 2 times 5 candies or groups. That is equal to 5 times 2 equals to how many? 10 candies. Now, in the division facts are 10 candies divided by 2 is equals to 5, and 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. Another example is you have 15 pencils. 15 pencils is equals to 5 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 5. Now, 5 groups of 3 is equals to how many? Very good. It's 15 pencils. And 3 groups of 5 is equals to? Yes, 15 pencils as well. In multiplication, you can write it down as 3 times 5 is equals to 5 times 3 equals to what? 15 pencils. Very good. Now, in the division, you can write it down as 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5, or 15 divided by 5 is equals to what? Very good, equals to 3. Very good. Now, for our activities today, we're going to answer from page 128 until page 130. Next is we're going to study about parts of the division problem. This time we're going to learn about the parts of the division, including how to check if your answers are correct in division. Please open up your books on page 131. For example, 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. 8 will be the dividend, 4 will be the divisor, and 2 is the quotient. Now, this is how to check if your answer is correct. Just simply multiply the divisor and the quotient. For example, 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Multiply the divisor. 4 and the quotient 2, it's equals to how many? Very good. That's 8. So that's 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Now, if your dividend and your answer are the same, you get the correct answer. Please answer the activity in our book on page 131. Next is we're going to study about division with exact answers and with remainders. Please open up your books on page 132. For example, you have 8 balls. Each lot has 2 balls on it. They can be put into 4 lots, divided exactly as 8 divided by 4 is equals 2. That is for the whole number. But what if there's only 7 balls? Let's try it again. There are 7 balls. Each lot has 2 balls. They can be put into 3 lots with a remainder of 1 ball. This kind of division has a remainder. So 7 divided by 2 is equals to 3, remainder 1. So how to check if your answers are correct? Now just simply 7 divided by 2 is equals to 3, remainder 1. Simply multiply the quotient and the divisor. That's 3 times 2 equals 6 plus the remainder 1 equals 7. If you have same answer with your dividend, then you get it correctly. Now before you answer the activities in our book, let's learn how to answer word problems first. For example, there are 11 grapefruit. They are put into bags. Each bag contains 3 grapefruit. How many bags are there? What is the remainder? Number sentence 11 divided by 3 equals 3, remainder 2. Answer: 3 bags, remainder 2 grapefruit. Students, please answer your books on page 133 until page 137. Before we end this video, let's answer first. What do you know on page 138? Number 1. What is the symbol for division? Number 2. What is the quotient? Number 3. What is dividend? Number 4. What is the divisor? And number 5, when a number is divided and there is an amount that cannot be shared equally, what is it called? Thank you for watching this video, and again students, let me remind you again for our safety. Please always wash your hands, wear your mask, and always observe social distancing. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. I miss you, and goodbye.